And out goes the guy that was really serving it up to Rusty Hickman.
Right, so our little Bengal had a bit more trauma than we said. We're unloading to wash it, but I can get it here. You can sort of see it's been a cross, I think.
You're not in gear.
I thought I picked it up last night. I only could tell when that was not in the right spot. So pushing it to wash it, and we're going to reassess what we need to do here. Let's pull it in here. What's that? Welcome back. I don't know if we can go in yet. We're going to move the truck out. Oh, fuck. Rough on the gear. Jesus.
Thank you, mate.
Are you awake now?
Yes.
Okay, congratulations. I got a little bit of chassis fat. Straighten her out. Pull the out. All that. And we got the Sprint World's famous Sprint pig here. Everyone has to buy tickets to Raw Pork. They're on sale now at Palais Theatre. Alrighty, tow vehicle of the year goes to Donna's, the Mint Pig. This is an old fire truck of all things, and they've cut the back off. An old American fire truck, we didn't have these. And they've, yeah, converted to a semi. Oh, hey, don't run me over, Jesus!
Wait,
Yeah.
you're Todd Hobson.
Yeah, I am.
Didn't you crash last night? Get in the back.
Alright, just finishing up maintenance. We've got J4 Racing on, putting the front end back in after being straightened up. A bit of walk through Wolf Shocks. We got Dan Scott's Berettas here. Assuming that's a 410 car. This is 360. This is where the magic happens. We got Leon here with these shocks. Pretty much anything with shocks here. VIPs and pros. Pretty much what you specialise in, isn't it? Or any shocks.
Pros, VIPs.
Any shocks here. Yep, QA1s, Canes, whatever. So, doing a bit of work for a lot of the parts guys around here. As you see, Dan runs Canes, I run Canes, but my gas Canes, they're done by CWI and Peter Honeybull and Inglis. I got like 6 different builders, but Leon's been just helping me in the right direction with all involving where to start, and also have some help from some other people around as well, but Leon sort of got me in the right direction there too. But yeah, getting the car fixed up, everything's washed up with all the cars, and yeah, night off tonight, on to Mildura tomorrow night for Easter Nationals. Alrighty, night 2, here at Easter Nationals, Sunday night. Chassis repair done, all geared up, ready to go. She's looking nice and flash again. Doled her all up. Got Brody up there, Brodus Clay on the tyres. Hello Jake, thank you. So yeah, we're all good to go. Nice overcast day here. It's actually cooled off really nice. It was really hot earlier, but nice and cool now. And yeah, ready to go after it for Timmins.
Christopher Gill, and Chris, good to have you watching the show, mate. You're a star, and we all love you, buddy. Now, Todd Hobson on the racetrack in the throwback Lloydie special, and Ryan Davis. We're up to 18 cars to take time. Hobbo goes straight into position 9 inside the top 10, 12.415. Ryan Davis, hello. Position 4, 12.093. Hobson still coming to 8 for the 312. And Ryan Davis comes in at position 4 with a 12.062. let's go down to Daniel Kirby.
Waste no time, gets back on that loud pedal. Gets a great jump. Let it go. Number one in the 360 Eastern Nationals. As Hickman now just starts to open up the advantage. Farah doing a nice job. Great qualifying effort by him, and as I said, Hobson gets home in turn two. Trey's playing with the concrete wall. Just settled the car a little bit. He lost a little bit of ground on the back of Caruso.
Cam's got that wing tug back a little bit too by the look of it. That's got the car settled nicely. Checkered flag is out for Rusty. This is interesting. Cam was making ground on him. Zach Farah will get third.
Alrighty, hell laps in qualifying and heat one done. A bit late on this, but it is what it is. Pretty good. Pretty mediocre qualifying. We timed better in overall in hot laps. I think we were about 10th, something around there. Then qualifying we were about 16th. Only time these I've ever felt like I've been underpowered because we don't have the best 360. Trust me, she's just a little girl. We make do with what we got. Then heat one, we sort of kept the same cruddy tyre on. It went really slick. So, as you see there, it's hard to see, but we've knocked the edge right off it. And pretty much rolls across the gap for the next edge to grab, so it makes it feel like it's on top of the track pretty much. So I was just buzzing down the straight, smacked the fence trying to in a slide job battle, but yeah, a little disappointed I didn't go one more forward, but if we win this next one, we're in a heat where we can sort of go forward. Starting I think 5th in this one. I just got to get to the top and rail around and see where we come.
Should be able to run the top. No, like the bottom from the start and then try and wind yourself up. Nah, but he went from last year.
Man, that looked like it could have got it.
What's he got in store? Can he close the gap? Running a nice job in there in second. Belifo, good return to form by him. Jade. comes out for Homo. Started mid-pack in this one, had to work his way through, but once he got out in front, shown a clean pair of heels. Check comes out, good job by him. Waters will hold on for second. Have a look at the top wing, Wado. Thank you, Dad, for everything in our career, and congratulations on 50 years. Such a fitting tribute we spoke about, and you had a great chance to do a bit of a special thing with the Hobson family today. And it's just an awesome looking hot rod, and just goes to show it doesn't take much to go back to the old school, but makes a car look really, really slick. Of course, Lloyd Hobson, his father, sprint cars, V8 dirt modifieds, probably raced billy carts as well back in the day if you really look at it. Come on, folks, make plenty of noise for him. We've already spoken to him tonight, but let's have another chat to him. You're with Heat 5, Todd Hobson. Good run, mate. First season of sprint car competition. This is your third heat race victory with the All-Stars, mate. You are having a blast.
Yeah, took a big swing at the car then. The track it's really, really good on the fence, but it just hasn't had the traction last time. It sort of caught us a bit off guard, but no, I'm having a blast in the sprint cars. Wings aren't really our deal. We're modified people if you see how our truck is set up. So, yeah, can't thank the Dad and Brody enough for helping us out tonight, and Endurico, Russell Steele, CDR Truck Sales and Ramsdale Records, they're our main partners on board.
Ripping tribute to your dad. It's great to see after 40 years another Hobson back behind the wheel of a sprint car at Nyora.
Yeah, it was good. We nearly won it too. I've never won a sprint car at Nyora, but who knows, maybe we can get one here at Timber Speedway tonight.
Good job, mate. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay, last boys, the first 20 to reach the final are in the race shortly. For the first I need cars. Good job, man.
Because I cocked up pretty bad.
No, you're the fastest there. So you might be on the first half of the race, you were the only one in the 13-second bracket. And then, what's that? You're still 4 seconds quicker than fucking. So you're faster than them.
I cooked in that lap, I about binned it.
There's only that much there, isn't it? But it's still the quickest one.
You're not going to roll the right front around and I'll get out. Alrighty, won that one from 5th. That was good. That was a reverse invert. So my poor qualifying helped me a bit. The fast guys were behind me. Just sort of had to pick where I put my car because it was a bit busy lap 1, that was for sure. I saw a front wing up in the air down the back straight, so that was pretty daunting. I think we were about 4 wide or 3 wide or something, because the guy on the bottom wasn't really sure where he wanted to run. I think he was just trying to get on the bottom out of the way. But yeah, we took a big swing at the car then just because I had the first seat, and yeah, it paid off. We just rolled the top like a pavement car pretty much. Probably could have went a bit harder, but I just need to be able to, I don't know, I need 3/10 on Hickman, so I don't know where I'm going to get that from, but the track looked like it sort of did drop off really quick. Track's been pretty abrasive, so we're going to go with a harder tyre for the final, and yeah, go from there. Already starting at a 7 now. Tyres are ready to put on. Here's Brody, he's the crew guy that I bully a lot. Yeah, we lost Jake to Donners. Jake's over there. Keep up the good work. I can't zoom in. Keep up the good work, Jake Warren Racing.
For Cinepec Lubricants and B&S Earthworks, Timber Speedway. Let's get dirty for 30 here at Timmers. Rusty Hickman and Jordan Charge on the front row. Rusty.
wanting to go. Lights are out, we're green again. Hunter, sling shots out in front. Sticks to the bottom. Rusty Hickman in hot pursuit. Look at Hunter on the bottom. Hickman about 3/4 turn for 3 and 4. Here comes Todd Hobson. The youngster down in the southeastern suburbs. He's starting to find something. He chooses the move now on the inside and charge into turn number 2 and 3. Charge right back on the outside. The two youngsters run wheel to wheel down the main straight. Hunter still your leader. Hickman. Then Hobson now. Moves up. Charge just trying it. It's for the front markers.
23 laps to go. 23 remaining. Hunter slowing dramatically. What happened then? Charles Hunter in some trouble. Pulls infield. Rusty dealing with traffic now. Todd Hobson looking extremely racy. In that second position as he comes after Rusty. Jordan Charge in third. Ben Morris fourth. Cam Waters fifth. Hobson lost him down out of turn 2. It's been a bit of a hoodoo for him. 17 laps to go. Daniel Kirby.
Todd Hobson, lap cars now just starting to play its part right there in front of Rusty Hickman, which will give him a chance to catch up to him as they go into turns number 1 and 2, Wade Orchard.
Point into a second between the pair of them. Rusty goes low through the lap cars. Hobson stays upstairs. Look at Hobson cross the inside. Now, Rusty Hickman may have just caught a glimpse of the front wing of the 84. Back to the main straight. We got 9 laps to go. Jordan Charge looking to slip around the top on Cam Waters.
Racing in this one as Hobson now big move on the inside of Guerin in turn number 4. Still your leader, Hobson, Morris. That's your top 3. Plenty behind Charge and Cam Waters. Oh, it's happening. Oh, there's something going on there in turn number 1 and 2. Looks like the 43 of Sando.
Oh, Hobson. Hobson's caught up and is damage to the right front corner. It's devastating. And out goes the guy that was really serving it up to Rusty Hickman.
Dan Scott looks like to have engine issues in the 91. Not sure whether he was trying to get off the track itself, and that's where Corey Sando got involved with him.
Alrighty, so just pretty much got back from Mildura here. Yeah, that was disappointing. As you can see, yeah, we just sort of thought we could follow leader through and didn't end up that way. I just sort of put myself in, not into the fence, but like I just had no option. This was already committed to the path, and that's all she wrote. It's a real shame. Yeah, I was really just upping the speed, and it just ended not the way I wanted. Even if I finished second, I would have been happy, but yeah, we was in the hunt for the lead, let's just say that. Definitely put a statement out there that we're there, even though we're only 13 nights in this wing deal. We're up there, ripping the fence, which was good. Car was just on rails. Can't really describe the feeling it was. It just set in beautiful on the left front, and then just drove itself pretty much. I probably could have went harder and the car would have done it, but I just saw a rookie sort of deal. I just wanted to last to the end, and then with 5 to go, I'm like, I'll just give it all it's got, and then that happened, unfortunately. But it is what it is. On to the dirt mod next week in Ora.